This video is a follow-up to the video I did where I used Saflager 3470 lager yeast at L temperatures and L timing. Here's a link to that video right up here in case you hadn't seen that. Well, that particular video brought with it a lot of interest and requests. Some of the requests were, could I go ahead and brew my Pilsner just in more of the real true traditional Czech style Pilsner, Saaz hop all the way through. And so I did that. Same process, same temperatures, followed it exactly like the video that I did earlier. Came out great. In fact, it's so good it's gone already. So this video is also a follow-up to the video I did where I used gelatin to clarify the beer. You can find that video right up there as well. Very interesting results, and if you like truly clear beer, it might be something you want to look at and try yourself. So anyway, I got to the point where the new Pilsner was gone. I needed to do my Father's Day light summer pale ale, but because of the pandemic, didn't have any the yeast that I normally use, which is the White Labs 060 hybrid lager ale yeast. And so I thought, well, I still have the 3470, so this is going to be a third generation captured and reused, which is interesting because a lot of folks say you shouldn't do that with dry yeast. Well, what did they say? Drastic measures for drastic times. Necessity is the mother of all invention. Well, that's kind of what I was up against. I needed to brew beer. That's the yeast I had, so I'm going to go ahead and go with it. So the results I'm going to share with you right now are very interesting and very good. Fermentation went great. And again, I build up with a starter, make sure I have a big enough pitch, all of that. And like I say, the results are really good. When it came to the clarification, I really want to show you this. This glass right here, that's the beer that I took out of the fermenter, put in a 5-gallon keg, and did not condition with gelatin. The balance of my 8-gallon batch, the extra 3 gallons, I put in a keg, put it in this kegerator here, added some gelatin. And so we're going to take a look and see how that looks. Let me pause the camera. I'll get it in a little closer. So to me, those results are completely amazing. Again, it's the same beer. I actually tested it to make sure I didn't get things mixed up. But look how clear the one on the left is compared to the one on the right. And I go so far as saying that if you put these in a triangle test, folks would probably not be able to tell the difference. So anyway, those are my updates that I have for you. Pandemic continues. I'll continue brewing beer, and we'll catch up with you later.